The drive to Aharbal Falls from Srinagar was not such a pleasant experience because it was raining throughout the time. But the beauty which you could see of nature around was super pristine. Talking about the drive, Aharbal Falls is around 2 hours away from Srinagar. This particular waterfall is towards the southwestern part of Kashmir. Basically, it's towards the border areas. The area is super beautiful. It's covered by mist throughout the time, even if it's not raining. The elevation is around 2266 meters, and on the way to the falls, you could get to experience a lot of valley views.
Horse is running.
The parked our car here. I saw it while I was driving to here. It's stunning. And this is the path to reach the waterfall.
See there, that blue.
Mountains are beautiful. Stunning. It's raining, so you can see we are on ponchos. It's not very cold. So that's the ticket point. How much is it?
45 rupees.
Huh?
45.
Here, per person, right?
No, no, total. Total 45.
So there's something called stone pelting. Basically, it's rocks falling off here. During monsoons, it's pretty common among high range areas. Meanwhile, take a look of this. How freaking beautiful is this, guy? Be super careful, guys, in these places. Don't run, rush. While on the way to the waterfall, I spotted this natural spring. It's so cool! It's like 5 degrees Celsius water. So guys, that's it for the Aharbal Falls video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more such videos. If you haven't watched the other videos, you can choose to watch it from here. Thank you.